Today, I'm going to teach you one of my family's staples, one of the things we have to eat our French fries. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. And if you haven't guessed by now, I'm going to be teaching you how to make fry sauce, which if you're not from Utah, you're probably like, fry what? But this is just a sauce that we make to eat fries with. It's called fry sauce. And you can actually get this at most restaurants here in Utah. It's a thing. And it is delicious. Don't knock it till you try it. It's super easy, and we eat it with our French fries, our tater tots. We put it on our hamburgers, like chicken strips. It's just all around delicious, okay? So let me teach you how to make it. You're just going to need a few ingredients. We want some mayonnaise, some ketchup, a little bit of mustard, and then I like to put in some seasoned salt. And then in here is a little bit of vinegar. Just need the teeniest little titch of vinegar, and it makes the fry sauce so good, just like a little tangy. So what we're going to do, let me grab out a spoon. We want equal parts mayo and ketchup into our bowl. So we are eyeballing equal parts mayo and ketchup. So you can make as much of this or as little of this as you'd like. So there's our mayo and ketchup. You can measure, make it exact. I never do. I just measure with my heart when it comes to fry sauce. I'm going to do about a teaspoon-ish of mustard, just like that. And then a couple good shakes. This is so precise. Of our seasoned salt here. And the Lawry's is my favorite brand. And then I'm gonna grab a whisk and whisk this together. And then at the very end, we'll whisk in this vinegar. Vinegar is going to go in, and just like an eighth of a teaspoon, maybe, just tiny bit, and whisk that in. Sometimes I will do buttermilk to thin this out a little bit instead of the vinegar. If you have buttermilk, that's also really good. You can pretty much doctor up your fry sauce however you like. Whisk that in. All right, our fry sauce is done. And I'm just going to eat it with these fries now. So now I need to know. In the comments, go into the comments, let me know. Have you heard of fry sauce before? Do you have fry sauce where you live? If so, do you live outside of Utah or do you live inside of Utah? What else do I need to know about this? Is this totally gross to you? Because it's not gross here, but Jell-O is also not gross here, and Jell-O's kind of gross. So I don't know. Tell me all the things in the comments. Give me your opinions about fry sauce, because I'm in the team that it is delicious and I could eat it with everything. And do me a favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any more of my videos, and give this video a like, and we will see you next time. A little taster.